Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and so today is going to be a fun video. You're going to get to see how I created this eye look here. It is a collab with Miss Jessie, Lynn, Summerville, Cain. If you have not checked out her channel already, please do. The link is down below in the description box. She is a very nice young lady who is very supportive of you, and please go show her some love. So today we are doing a favorite childhood movie or cartoon video, or not, yeah, video. So I chose The Grinch as my favorite childhood movie, so I am doing an eye look inspired from The Grinch. I remember when I got to go see that movie in theaters when I was so young. It's been my ultimate favorite movie, book, and everything since I was very little. So if you want to see how I created this really cool eye look, then please just keep watching. I'm going to be using for sure 2 palettes, maybe a third. I'm going to be using the Magic by Juvia's Place, and then the Zulu by Juvia's Place as well. And then I might dive in a little bit into my Little Pony palette. We'll see if I need to, but who knows. So first we're just going to start out in the Magic palette. And we're just going to take some of this nude shade here and set the eye. Okay, so I'm going to dive straight into this shade called Nana, this brown shade here, and I'm going to just place that all into my crease, I believe. Alrighty, and then I'm going to dive into the Zulu palette and take more of this deeper shade here and work that into the crease as well, just to deepen it up just a little bit. Alrighty, now we're going to go ahead and cut the crease, and I'm just going to be taking some of my trusty Tarte Shape Tape here and this really precise little brush by Real Techniques. It's this little bitty orange one, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease. Alrighty, then I'm just going to take some more of that just real bone shade and set this concealer down. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and dive right on into I think I'm going to do 2 colors of green. I'm going to go in with this brighter green first here. Alrighty, and then we're going to dive into the Magic palette, and we're going to take this darker green and work that into the middle of the eye. Nice. Okay, then we're going to dive into a little bit more of that darker brown shade here. and put that right there into that outer corner just to kind of bring that up to that green to meet it. So these green colors, I just wanted to represent the Grinch, you know, because he's all kinds of green. Alrighty, and then to finish the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take some of that first brown here and work that all into the lower lash line. Okay, now we are going to take some of my NYX Vivid Brights green eyeliner. So I wanted to use this green and create a wing that represents the Grinch's fingers, how like furry and long they are. I'll also insert a picture as to what I'm talking about. So I'm going to try to replicate his little furry fingers with, instead of just doing a standard wing eyeliner, I want to do something different that you don't really see unless you maybe see it on Instagram, but you know, that's Instagram. So that's kind of what I'm going for. I just wanted to create something like swirly and long and like wispy looking to look like his fingers. I think that looks pretty cool in my opinion. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to do the other eye. Alrighty, and then since it's Christmas, you know, with the Grinch, I wanted to add some rhinestones because I've been all about rhinestones lately, if you haven't checked out my Instagram page. So I'm just going to add some little red rhinestones. Alrighty, and then the last thing to tie the look all together, I'm going to highlight my inner corner with some yellow because it's the Grinch, and y'all know the Grinch's eyes. Also will insert a picture of his really yellow beady eyes, and then he also has like really yellow teeth because he doesn't brush his teeth. So I'm just taking some yellow here out of the Judy's Place palette, and I wetted my brush to get it really pigmented. Kind of like so. And then to tie, I keep saying to tie the look together, I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to apply a red lip. So here is my finished Grinch looking look. So I just used the NARS Star Woman lip color. I love this stuff, and I love the applicator on this. It is just, it's really easy to apply to your lips, and this stuff dries down matte really fast. So yeah guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really fun one and a really fun collab to do with Jessie, Lynn, Summerville, Cain. I hope you go and check out her channel and show her some love. Like, if you've ever seen her comments on my channel, she watches the whole video and she comments as she watches the video, like little things she enjoys about the video. So she is a big supporter and I appreciate her so much, and I have enjoyed collabing with her so much. So please go check out her channel, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys! Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.